Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some Zippo tricks that you can do. Just regular tricks, I guess. First thing you want to do is you want to put your two fingers on the top. Make sure the little thing it's moving that way. We put your two fingers on the top, and put your thumb at the bottom, and then push down like that. Catch it like that, but it will mess up your lighter. The hinges will start to get weak. And you go down and snap it, light it, turn it, put it out. To do that, the flame will still be burning down there. See? That's Zippo tricks. Very easy to do. I'll see you later. Oh, and by the way, to do the finger snap where you move the light back, you want to take it and take a pencil and push the little wick towards this at like a 45 degrees angle. So it's like going up like that. Just push it towards the door hinge thing. And then when you light it, see how it's still in there? And when you give it a little bit more air, what the freak you doing up here, cat? Yeah. When you give it a little bit more air, the flame gets big again and jumps up. So, yeah. What are you doing up here? And here's some footage of my cat. Get off the TV. Yeah, we use my Xbox as a DVD player because it's awesome at playing DVDs. There's my other cat. She's mean though. There's my other cat. Who's waking up, Annie?